Welcome to Woodlawn United Methodist Church. My name is Paul Wilkie, and we are in a construction zone. Each week in October, we will be looking at the Bible story of Nehemiah as he inspired his people to build a new life. Each week, we will be looking at the truth of his story and applying it to our lives as we seek to build better lives for ourselves and to build a better community. What we know for sure is that when we work together with God's help, great things happen. So bring your tools and join us as we build a better life together in Christ. After all, at Woodlawn, we are a construction zone.